Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best tips and guides for using X. In today's video, we'll show you how to quote a reply in X. Quoting replies is a great way to provide context and engage in meaningful discussions. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open X. Launch the app on your device and ensure you are on the home screen. Step 2. Go to a post. This might be a bit tricky, but make sure to tap on an area of the post that is not a picture or a context. This action will open a menu with more details about the post. Step 3. Scroll down to the replies. These are the comments or responses from other users on the post. Step 4. Tap on the intertwined arrows icon. This icon represents the option to quote a reply and is usually located near the comment you want to quote. Step 5. After tapping on the intertwined arrows, a menu will appear with various options. Look for and tap on the Quote option. This will allow you to quote the specific reply you want to respond to. And that's it! You have successfully quoted a reply in X. This feature enables you to provide a clear reference to the original comment and engage in meaningful conversations. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to quote a reply in X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more X-related tutorials.